Hi, I'm Richard Fields. In this clip, we're going to talk about how to buy food for your backpacking trip. First of all, you're going to want to calculate how many days you're going to be out and the number of meals you're going to need. The dinner meals, if you buy the prepackaged meals, work much better than trying to prepare an entire meal on the trail. They're light, very low moisture to carbohydrate ratio. This is something to think about in all of the foods that you choose. Even the tuna can be bought now in foil packets that don't have any water in them, and therefore they're relatively light. The breakfast meals, oatmeal is the lightest thing that gives you a substantial carbohydrate boost. And you're also going to want to think about what you're going to want on the trail and during day hikes and that sort of thing, such as a trail mix. It's very high in protein, carbohydrates, and it'll keep you going for quite a while. Energy bars, additionally, serve that same kind of purpose. You may have individual wants such as coffee. There are filters available now where you can make coffee without involving any paper filters. You might also like to take some tea bags for some tea in the evening before bed. You can also take a few light things like freeze-dried ice cream. Almost no weight, but it's a nice treat after a long hike. Okay, so it's a good idea to get the planning right on this. You want to write down how many breakfasts, lunches, and dinners you'll need, as well as some trailside snacks. Write this down before you go and do your shopping so you make sure that you get everything you need and don't show up short on the trail.